I have this particular PDF file and it's in Arabic language. And in this particular PDF file, I have 4 different pages. I want to extract this table. The special thing about Arabic table is that it does read from right to left instead of left to right. In normal English table, we read from left to right and the reading order is from left to right. But in case of Arabic table, it's from right to left. Okay, so that's why you can see it seems like serial number 1 2 3 4 5, that's in the right section. And we do have this particular table in 3 different pages of this particular PDF file, and then last one is kind of the summarization of all the data that we have in these 3 different pages. So in this video I'm going to show you how to extract data from Arabic table or generic PDF file which reads from right to left. Okay, I have written the code, so I'll just explain this. And for this one I'm going to use PyMuPDF. And if you want to extract data from any other like English or any other language table which read from left to right, I have recorded 5 or 6 different videos on that particular topic. So I'll put the links for those videos in the description, or I'll add them in the cards so you can check them out. So I'm going to use this PyMuPDF library. I'm just installing that, and then I'm importing PyMuPDF OS and pandas. Okay, so if I just run this, I already have PyMuPDF installed, so that's why it says satisfied. And then this one is just for extracting the PDF file name, that is the Arabic table data extraction.pdf. I have created one variable for that PDF file name, and then I'm opening that particular PDF file, PyMuPDF.open. And then I'm running this loop for 3 different pages, so starting from 0 to 3. So it will go up to 2 because in a range parameter the last one is not inclusive, so it will go like 0 1 and 2, and Python is 0 based index. So initially it will take the first page, then second page, and then third page. And then I'm just going to use this page.find tables, and it will give me the data in this format. Okay, like now let me just run it and let me in this previous cell and let me run it, and then you'll see that it does give me that this is the index of this data frame. This is the first column, you can say 1 2 3 4 and so on. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on, and then we have this second column, third column, fourth column, and so on. Okay, so it's extracted all the data. You can see rows 15 and columns 74, so 74 columns, 15 rows. Okay, it seems a little bit weird, but because it's read from right to left, but okay, that's okay. So 74 columns and 15 rows, and you can see I have extracted all the rows to this, and let me show you. So if I do this, then I get this. Okay, I'm just selecting all rows and start from like all columns and take up to the last one. Okay, and then reset index, and it says drop is equals to true. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just reversing these columns. Okay, so I'm just selecting this column, go to this section, this one becomes the second one, this one becomes third one, and so on. Okay, so that's how I'm just selecting this all rows, and then the start is like it just goes up to -1. Okay, so and then I'm just resetting the index. So let me just do up to this, let me do up to this, and let's see. So if you look into this carefully, then you can see the previous one. Let me just print that. So if you look into this, then you'll see this column is at the first, this one is the second one, this one is the third one, and so on. So it just removed, like goes into the last column. You can see this one becomes the third one. First third one is third one from the last, and so on. Okay, you can see 86, 65, 50, 37, and you can see 86, 65, 50, 37, and so on. Okay, and we do have this column 3 and this column as well. So if you want to do some cleanup, then you can do that, and you can remove these extra columns where we don't have any specific value. So I'm just bringing those columns to the right section. Okay, and then I'm just resetting this index. Okay, that's it, and that's how we extract this data. Now you can do some cleanup. Okay, so only a special thing about this Arabic table, or any table that reads from right to left, is that it just reads from right to left. So if you want to do like keep those columns intact like in this order, then you just need to do this iloc operation. That's it for this video. If you have any question or if you have any suggestion, please feel free to comment in this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Have a good day.